In most of my videos, you guys probably see something like this. I'm a little bacon here, I'm just like walking around on the screen and doing some funny stuff inside a jailbreak. But it's finally about time that we go beyond the screen, alright? So I sent a poll out recently to you guys on Twitter, and you guys said you guys wanted the setup tour super duper crazy in detail. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Moving out of the screen. We are no longer limited to just the bacon hair on the screen. Now you guys get to see the bigger picture. Oh yeah, look at this. Just look at this, okay? I'm not responsible if you drool all over your keyboard and destroy it. But, like, try not to do that, okay? That would be very, very, very bad. But anyway, you can probably see here, dual PCs, triple monitors. Logically, the first thing I'd start with would probably be the computers here, but if you guys haven't known already, I am doing a PC giveaway. I have all the parts here. It's like, I don't even know how much they were, but I'm starting out small and going up like crazy big if this does really, really crazy. But anyway, moving back over here to this setup, okay? This is like the meat of where everything is at, okay? So, obviously, you guys want to probably know the details of these two beasts over here, okay? Let's go ahead and give you guys a much closer look inside. Look at this beast. Oh, man. Alright. Camper, oh, man. Except it's not a camper. And we got the second one over there. Oh yeah, okay, you probably can't see the like everything because like the first one blocks half of it, but like hopefully you can see like something a little bit more inside over there. So this one over here is the main gaming computer. It has like an Intel i9 9900K or something inside. RTX 2080 Ti down here. It's vertical mounted because why not? And 64 gigs of RAM over there, all that RGB glory, okay, it's like the best thing ever. It's like a PC 011 Razer edition with RGB case over here, and obviously, you know, I put all the stickers on the case because like everyone puts stickers on their case, am I right? So like it has like the water cooling and crazy amount of fans, crazy amount of RGB, all that good stuff. So that's basically the main computer, okay? Second one over here, it's probably like the main one, except it's more designed for like video editing, streaming and stuff. It has like a 16-core AMD Threadripper. I think it's like a 1950X or something in there. 32 gigs of RAM. I did build this one 2 years before I built this one over here, so that's why like the specs might be a little bit interesting depending on how you think about it. But yeah. Okay, so this one is like I said, Threadripper 1950X, 32 gigabytes of RAM. I believe the GPU is a GTX 1070. There's like a 4K capture card beneath that. You guys probably can see the white glow over there. And yeah, it's like got some fans in the front here that are RGB. This one's not as RGB as the other one. It has like a water cooler on the CPU as well. Because you know these CPUs run pretty dang hot. Okay, like it's actually ridiculous how hot they get. But yeah, I guess that's basically enough about the PC. Let's go ahead and move on over here. Okay, so you know we got 1, 2, 3 monitors. Kind of ridiculous here, but you know, once you get used to 2 monitors, you can't ever you know, go away from 2 monitors. And then obviously I have the third monitor for the streaming PC here. And you guys might be wondering, how in the world do I get Roblox from my main screen onto that screen? You can see right now Roblox is on there. It's like my desktop jailbreak background. The answer is, if you guys are wondering, something very, very useful inside of OBS. Okay, so if I come over here into OBS, what I basically do is right-click this thing. We're gonna go to this thing over here, and then you just select the third one, and boom! There's jailbreak on my screen. Okay, that's basically how I record jailbreak. There's no FPS drop, no nothing like that. I see a lot of people doing like the cloning stuff. All that stuff has caused like a crap ton of lag for me, and I just do it this method so much better. Okay, you have to like synchronize the audio and stuff, but it's usually like 80 to 100 milliseconds. I'll put like a full guide eventually of how to do this. So, yeah, all the detailed stuff will be linked in the description down below, probably near like the top. Maybe click show more, it's like the first thing you see. But yeah, it's gonna be somewhere down there. And over here I just have stuff like a Discord, and like when I'm streaming I have like the chat and everything like that. Obviously I'm not in streaming mode right now because then everyone would like see and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the game, and you know, obviously I have like jailbreak in here. This is a 1440p 165 hertz something like that monitor. Absolute beast over here. Okay, it's like the Asus one with G-Sync and everything like that, I believe. Let's see how much FPS Roblox is running right now. Boom. Let's take a look. 170. Holy cow, that is a lot of FPS. And this is obviously a graphics 10 1440p. And this thing over here, this OBS, I have it set up so that it captures all of that, because the capture card is like a 1440p 144 or something like that. So yeah, that's basically the monitors and stuff. Let's go ahead and come over here to what I actually play the games on. Okay, you can probably see over here, there's not one, but two keyboards. Okay, so obviously one of them's for the streaming PC and the other one's for the gaming PC. And it's probably fairly easy to tell which one belongs where. So this one over here, I believe the one closer to the front, this one is the Huntsman Elite from Razer. It goes to the gaming PC. The one in the back is like a Black Widow V2 or something like that. Both of them have like the clicky style switches, the ones that make a lot of noise. You guys can probably hear it when I record. And I like the clicky switches, okay? They're like the best ones. The linear ones, they feel too weird for me, okay? Just doesn't like feel right. But yeah, everyone has their own preference, okay? So if you like the linear ones, then so be it, okay? So the one in the back is the Black Widow V2, I believe, and that one goes to the streaming PC. And yeah, so those are the keyboards. And the mice over here, I believe the first one over here, this one right there, yeah. That's a Mamba Wireless 2018 version. It's like super amazing. Much better than the old one I have, because like the old one, I think the scroll wheel broke or something. It starts randomly scrolling backwards. Yeah, that one's a G703. I had it for like 2 years now at this point. And yeah, it does like some funny stuff when like I scroll with it. If you guys watch carefully, okay? So you can see over here my mouse on Roblox. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, boom. You can see my mouse over here, okay? Like hopefully on the left side of the screen. Yeah, I have like this software, I think it's called like Synergy or something. You guys might have seen me like goofing around it on Discord, because for some reason Discord thinks it's a game. But yeah, basically look, one mouse, just gonna move across and boom. It's on the second screen right over here, okay? It's very, very cool. I think Creecraft uses something similar to this, but yeah, you guys have to like watch his setup tour if you guys want to learn about his setup. But I know there's one thing about my setup that is like crazy better compared to his. Just like watch his setup tour video and you'll easily be able to tell what it is. And that is the stuff that is under the desk. Here we go. Boom, look. No wires on the floor over here, okay? It's 100% all up here, okay? It's like inside of a tray, and yeah. So that stuff just goes to the back of the computers. Obviously, it's going to be pretty messy back there, but yeah. It's much neater than what Creecraft looks like, honestly, okay? Just like, I'll put a picture of it up here on the screen if you guys really want to see that, okay? But yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and go on to like the microphone stuff, okay? So you can see over here, this is my microphone. And when I record, I just like move it way over here, and yeah, and you just like captures my voice. Obviously, that's what a microphone does. Okay, say Audio Technica 2035, something like that, and it goes you know, through the cable over here to the Focusrite, which goes to the USB on the streaming PC, and it just records the audio. It's pretty decent solution. Got it like 2 years ago when you know, that's when like the voice on the videos changed. If you guys are real OGs, like subscribe like back when I had what, like 10,000 subscribers before I even started playing Jailbreak or something. And yeah, so the stuff next to it, I have the Roblox award, the Bloxy award with a Dominus on it, because like, why not? Yeah, the headphones, it's the Astro A50 wireless one, basically what Creecraft has, but wireless, because you know, why have wired headphones? It's a major inconvenience. And yeah, you guys have seen all of this, okay? Maybe we'll like the face cam up there, obviously, when I do use face cam. Let me know in the comment section down below, should I use face cam again? I guess 10,000 likes now go face cam, who knows, okay? What am I missing here? Oh yeah, the desk. The probably the coolest feature of my entire setup, okay? So you guys probably can tell there's a lot of RGB. There's even RGB on the back. There's like RGB keyboards and everything. But you guys haven't seen this. 3, 2, 1, watch this. So yeah, nothing might have changed in that frame there, okay? But now, if I go back, you can clearly see the difference. This is now at standing height. It's probably the coolest feature of this desk. I can convert it from sitting height to standing height. So yeah, I make videos standing up. I obviously edit sitting down because, like, you know, it takes a lot longer. I don't have to, like, you know, stand just to edit, you know, just like, yeah, stuff like that. But anyway, probably the coolest thing here, okay? Like, it's even cooler than like the RGB stuff. So it's really hard to explain this, but like once you get one of these like sit, stand, height adjust desk things, there's just no going back. Okay, so I put the link in the description down below. Shout out to, I believe, Direction Desk. They're the ones that hooked me up with this thing. Pretty cool desk. Okay, like so far it's doing me like pretty well, super sturdy, pretty quiet as well. Like you guys probably heard it there. There's like no, I don't think I'm gonna put any amplification on the audio, but it shouldn't be like louder than what you just heard. Okay, but like it depends on how loud your headphones are. So I guess the last thing I should probably do is make all the lights here bacon color, because you know I'm a bacon hair, and obviously I gotta make everything bacon. Okay, so here we go. Okay, we got this stuff over here, the lights in the back. Let's go ahead and come on over here and click this magic button behind Discord here. 3, 2, 1, boom. And it's now bacon color. And here we go, let's go ahead and come over here. We gotta make all our RGBs turn into bacon color. I believe this one over here. Is it gonna be bacon color? Maybe. I think it's like this one up here. Probably. Yeah, okay, look. It's turning into bacon color. And finally, the last one is like way over here. Let's go ahead and come to this screen over here. Just select, I believe it's like this one. And boom, bacon color. And you guys probably don't want to see bacon color like this, okay? It's probably too bright and just looks kind of funny, okay? So 3, 2, 1, boom. That is real bacon, okay? This is like the bacon setup now, okay? I just have to like tweak the GPU and like the other PC. The other PC is not really that great at being a bacon hair. It's like a salad hair, RGB guy, whatever, okay? Yeah, just like let it do whatever, okay? But anyway, bacon setup. Epic. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. This is honestly like a video I've been waiting to do for so long. If you guys are wondering, I did start out not playing on this thing, okay? I started out like with some random Dell computer with like a Intel HD graphics and like, I don't know, an i5 in there. It was not the greatest computer ever. It could do like 50 FPS at graphics 1 on like a default obby game. But anything more than a default obby game, it will like lag like crazy, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and go back into jailbreak here. You can see how like jailbreak is super smooth here. It was nowhere near this, okay? Like I'm not even joking. I had to like, you know, like decrease the graphics. It would look something potato like this. This is how I started out playing Roblox. And that's exactly how I recorded Roblox at first. Okay? If you like take a look at some of my older videos, it looks really potato quality and stuff like that, okay? Basically, if you work hard, you get cool stuff like this, okay? So, become a YouTuber, become a whatever, game developer, who knows, just, yeah, like, whatever people tell you you can't do, do it, okay? Like, people said baconaires can't be YouTubers. Well, guess what? I'm a baconaire and I have like 100k subscribers. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed it, you guys know exactly what to do. Hit like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this crazy monstrosity over here. And, yeah, if this thing gets 10,000 likes, I'll bring back Facecam. And if you guys enjoyed this, you guys know exactly what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code BACON when you buy Robux in the shop. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time.